Hey folks, Sunsaver here. I'm sitting in my backyard checking out my big old pine tree. I really got to clean my solar panels off really bad, get that tree limb out of the way. And I've been out here washing clothes today. Beautiful sunshine. It's a huge pine tree up there. Some more really tall ones. But this is where I like to sit out here by my fig tree and just enjoy some sunshine. Just kind of sit out here and warm up. I love looking at these big trees too. Just love my big trees. They give me a lot of shade. The hawks like to nest up there. Is this the only stand of old growth pine still around? One little acre in the middle of nowhere. A little subdivision out in the country. But nearby is the beautiful city of West Monroe. If I had a car, I'd probably be in town visiting with my folks. My friends, I should say. My folks are all dead, my family's all gone. But life goes on. I'm still here, and I still have somebody I really care about, and I'm always going to be here for them. And yeah, just want to say I'm always going to be here for you as long as I can. And my fat man, he's so sweet. I'm dreading losing him. I love that cat so much. Fat boy, what you doing? My hands are shaking. Hey, fat buddy. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that cute face. Oh, he's beautiful. And he sits out in the sunshine. He looks snow white. There was a hawk out here earlier flying around. That's kind of why I went and got the camera. I thought I might get a little bit of hawk photography going on today. And it's really quiet out here now. when I start zooming in, you can see my hand shaking a little bit. It's early onset Parkinson's, probably. My mom has Parkinson's, or did. But my dad died, I lost my whole family. They took her away, and I don't really see her anymore, and I don't have any way to go see her. So I just have to deal with that grief of losing my mother too. But I got my fat man. I got 2 other babies out here somewhere. Socks hanging up to dry. Hey monkey girl, what are you doing? Well, I missed it. I was zoomed in too far and I couldn't find it. That was really neat. It looked like an Osprey. One of those tilt rotor crafts flying over. I was zoomed in on Monkey Girl, that's why I was zoomed in so far. Monkey baby, what are you doing? I can't hold my arm steady. Alright guys, thanks for watching.